Wait. Are you Carl from Carl's Garage? I bought your book. Thank you for helping me get my Kia engine replaced.
Hold on. You purchased the Kia Hyundai engine handbook, a special guide to get your engine replaced? Oh, well, appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for purchasing that book. I was actually just checking it out right here. So again, guys, my name is Carl. I'm from Carl's Garage, and I help people get their engines replaced. And I have a new book which actually just hit Amazon. So you can check it out there in the link in the description below, or you can purchase it right from me in the link in the description below. And it's actually a little bit cheaper if you do it that way. But I'm trying to get it as a bestseller on Amazon. So if you purchase it from Amazon, it will help me twofold. But yes, so if you have a Kia, Hyundai, or Genesis product, and you have that disgusting Theta 2 engine that was in most Kias from 2011 all the way up to 2019, you want to hit me up, because chances are you have a failed engine due to rod bearings. So unfortunately, if you don't have the KSDS software, they're not going to replace your engine. But if you got my book, it will give you all the information that you need so that you can get your engine replaced. So please check out that book. It has a lot of information, over 100 videos, a bunch of literature, a bunch of PDF files directly from Hyundai telling you that they can't charge you if they replace your engine, that even if you don't have the KSDS, your engine, if it's a Theta 2, it's still part of the recall. If you have an oil consumption issue, it covers all of these subjects for those cars. Definitely check it out. Check out this video. Check out all the other content that I have in the channel. Even before you purchase, check out all the other content, and then make sure that you purchase the book so that you have all the information in one hand. And if Kia, Hyundai, or Genesis tries to screw you, you tell them I have the Carl's Garage handbook, and I am here to get my engine replaced. So let's get our engines replaced. I'll see you guys in the next video. Carl's Garage. I'm gonna go read this book.